Okay, so today Leetcode question called hand of shreds, and the question give you a bunch of number called hand, and then a group size. He asks you to arrange the number into several group with the size of group size, and then inside each group, the number should be consecutive. Okay, so let's say for the first example, you can arrange like 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 6, 7, 8. If you are able to do so, then you return true. If you're not, then return false. This is what the question asking you about. It's pretty simple to understand, right? So let's see how can we do that. So we take the first example, 1, 2. We take the first example, and then we count the number the number of appearance for each number. Okay, so like 1 appear 1 times, 2 2 times, 3 got 2 times, and then 4 1, and then 6 7 8 7 8. Okay, and then what can we do is we iterate through this. Okay, so at first we iterate this, and then since the group size of 3, then we go next, then we cancel out the thing. Okay, and then after that we go here, we go next one, we go here, we cancel, and then cancel, and then cancel. After that we go next one, which is here, and then we go 1 2. Okay, so let's take the example 2, 1 2 3 4 5. So the first we take here, and then we cancel, and then go second one, cancel, go third one, cancel, and go fourth one, cancel. This is one group, right? Okay, and then the second group 5, cancel, and then we go another 6. Oh, there's no 6 here, so return false. Okay, these are pretty simple algorithm, right? So let's get a more complicated example. So let's say we 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, and then maybe 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9. Okay, so you can see like this is a positive example, right? I can draw for you this one group, this one group, this one group, and this one group. So this is a positive example should return true. So how our algorithm can work for this? So same thing, we go the first one. So oh yeah, the different thing is the number you have to cancel out is not 1, it's the number you start. So like for this example, right, the number you start is 2, so you cancel 2. So second one, cancel 2, cancel 2, cancel 2. Okay, so group this through into 2 group. Okay, if you didn't do this right, you only cancel 1 out, or you only remove 1 1 1 1, then the next you go 2, then you become a false. Then this one left nothing, so you have to cancel out 2. Once you found 2, then cancel 2, cancel 2, cancel 2. Okay, so the first part we done, and then the second part. So 5 is 1, right? You start at 1, right? You only got 1. So the second one, cancel. Okay, this question the size is 4. Okay, I forgot to mention. Okay, and then we go to the next one here, and then cancel. So this one is a group also. Yep, so this works. So let's see our code implementation. How can we done this? Okay, so at first, this is a map. The map are using C++, and then the map for C++ actually is a tree structure. So when you iterate through the map, actually is iterate from the smallest to the largest. So no worries that there's a random number, you would go from smallest to largest. Okay, so first we initialize, then we count, and then we iterate through the tree map. So you can see here, we get a key. First is a key, the second is a value. It's a iterator is a pair here. So we get a key, we see if the key is larger than 0, then we start doing the cancel out thing. This one is a cancel. You decrement means you cancel out this, like what I did here. You cancel out means you decrement. Okay, so start number is this one. The start number of here, for example, start number of here is 2. The start number for here is 1. Okay. So okay, a little bit messy. Okay, start number is the thing I just mentioned just now, and then you iterate through the group size. Okay, let's say this one group size is 4, right? So iterate 4 times, and then you cancel out, and then you see if any one of that is less than 0, you return false. And then you look through everything, look through the whole map, and if you didn't found anything is not true, then at last you return true. Okay, this is the first approach. Actually, like what I said just now, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. For this example, you need to look like 1, 2, 3, and then go second 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to look like, you need to do like 6 times. But actually, there's another exam. There's another way. You need to loop one pass only. You don't need to do like 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 4. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So this comes to our second approach. It's a little bit, it's quite similar but a little bit different. The thing is, for this example, when we start at 1, then we count, then here, actually we open another one, right? So we need to record that. Okay, now we open another one. So our open count is equal to 2, and then here we decrease by 2, and then we found that, oh, actually there's a group here. There's already a group. So we minus the open. So open minus by this one, the start number, the count of the start. Okay, and then now open left 1. So when you go here, the open, we minus the open, right? So we minus 1 only, so it won't go less than 0. Okay, let's see how can we do this. Okay, so same thing we first initialize the map, and then we count it, and then open at first is 0, right? First there's nothing. I think I can write the example here. Okay, at the first open is 0, and then previous means the previous one lah. Is for me to check if like there's a skip. If like this, then it's not consecutive. It's for me to check this case. Okay, this we should return false, you see. Okay, and we need to initialize the queue. The queue is for me to keep track of the size, and then we should decrease the opponent. Okay, and okay, this is pretty much about it. And let's go through this. So we initialize the iterator, and then you get a key. Okay, after that we check open is greater than 0 or not. Okay, if open is greater than 0 means we already start doing something. It's less than 0, it means there's nothing lah. So we just skip this. So it's open at 0, and the key, there's a skip. It's opening now, and there's a skip here. There's a skip here. Then you return false. Okay, if open is 0 means you're doing nothing, so you don't need to care about this thing. So at first the open is 0. Other than the first one, the open is actually greater than 0. Okay. So I hope I explained it clearly. If not, you can comment at below. So we check this one or this one open. Okay, so what did this mean is like this one. If I open 2, right, and then here I only got 1. Like here I open 2, but here I only got 1. then I return false. This is what I checking here. Return false. Okay. Then after that you push. After that I push push a number into the group. Okay. So like here, okay, my bad. This 2, 3, 4. Okay. So like here, I push 1, and then like here, I open one more time, then I push 1. So that after I reach this point, the open -1, and after I reach this point, the open -1. Okay, you can see here. After I reach this point, the open -1, and reach this point, open -1. Okay, so yep. After I write everything, then the previous equal to the current, and then open equal to the count of this one. Okay, and then at last we just check whether we are open anything or not. If not, then it's true lah. Means we do not open anything, everything is end. Yep, I hope I explained this question clearly. If not, don't blame me, I'm a beginner of teaching, and you can comment below. I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.